Some people are going to get so angry with me about this, but bear with me. You see, in a previous video, I said that the kit car industry had a future for people who wanted to keep their petrol engines because kit cars recycle parts from cars, and therefore the kit car industry will thrive when the internal combustion engine is no longer available in turnkey cars. I stand by that. But let's flip the coin a little bit and look at the other side of the future of cars that's coming down the rails. And that is electric cars. Now, I know some of you hate electric cars, okay? Let's try to look beyond that and just look at the opportunities created by using electric, especially when we get the solid state batteries that are not that far down the line now, which will remove completely this lithium argument that a lot of people use. Anyway, one of the problems with packaging a car is finding a place to put the engine and gearbox. I mean, they're a pretty big lump. Then you've got to find a place to put the fuel tank, etc., etc., etc. One of the advantages with electric cars is that your battery pack is low down. All your weight is low down. And also, the motors can be either at the front or the back or both, and again, low down. That frees up the design possibilities enormously. Let me give you another example. Look at the Nova, Volkswagen Nova, designed in 1972 and a classic design by anybody's records. No one would deny this is a beautiful car. And it is possible because of the engine being out back. Now, the problem is that basing it on a Volkswagen Beetle and sticking the engine out back meant that it handled like a pregnant duck. And that was a problem when your car looks like this. It's absolutely stunning. It looks like it's doing 200 miles an hour when it's standing still. With an electric conversion, which are available for Beetles, you balance out the weight distribution, you eliminate the problem of having to place the engine way out back, and you still have this stunning looking car. Now take a look at this design. This is a stunning, futuristic, open-wheeled design that could have come from any of the design houses looking to create a modern take on the Lotus 7. But by using electric motors and by using clever placing of the batteries, making the car as light as possible, you then are freed up to be able to explore different styling possibilities and take a close look at this. Are you telling me that this does not look like fun? It is. Now, this is just a design rendering, and I accept that, right? No one's saying this is going to be available for someone to build in the near future. All I'm doing is putting this out there. There are other possibilities. All I'm asking you to do is have an open mind. I mean, yes, we can create a new home for the internal combustion engine. That would be fantastic. I'll be the first to cheer you on. But now we have the opportunity of coming up with some innovative, dramatic styling, the sort of thing that the kit car industry was famous for in the 1960s, 70s and 80s. Hope you've enjoyed this video. If you have, please give us a thumbs up, hit that bell to subscribe, and in some upcoming videos, we're going to explore the design possibilities even further.